what's up? This is Kristen. This is my reviews. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on Trendsend. I received my box yesterday. Inside the box, what you'll receive is the return shipping label, next your price sheet. The stuff on here ranges from $128 all the way down to $28. So, let's get into it. Okay, the first outfit here is this top. Jean top. It's really cute. It is the Ever Eve Allison Joy color chambray, $78. Then she has it paired with this dress here. It has a little knot. And this is $68. It's also Allison Joy and extra small. So on the side here, I'm gonna have like myself in the outfits. And comment down below and let me know what you like. Also subscribe to my channel. And I do unboxings, wantables, etc. Stitchfix is the big one that I like to do. And also if you wanted me to review your products, my information's down below. Okay, keep watching. Next outfit is this Don't Mess With Mama tank. I love the color, not too big on the saying, but I love this color. Then she has it paired with this tank here. I'm sorry, that shirt was $38 and this tank here is $28 and it's by Beloved and it's just a regular simple tank. Next, she has it paired with these jeans. I'm not a fan. I mean, like, look at them. And the price is $128 and these are by Blank New York and they're size 24. So I'm not a big fan on that as well. Next outfit is these white jeans. They're a little bit long for my taste. They're by Cut by the Cloth and they are the White Destroy size 0 and they're $78. That is matched with this top here. It looks like a cold shoulder. It's gray and it is the Ever Eve Lush. It's $58. And then this tee, which I'm not a really big fan of. I can find one of these for like 10 bucks somewhere. And it's by Free People and it's $38. Okay. So the try-on's gonna be on the side. I'm gonna come back and let you know if there's anything I keep. If not, I'm just gonna probably send it all back if I don't like anything. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come back and tell you, I really like this sweatshirt. It's on sale for $39.99. But I have other stuff like it in my closet, so I'm actually gonna be sending everything back. Unfortunately, the past 2 boxes that I've got have been misses. So I'm gonna have to write my stylist a little letter saying, you know, what I'm looking for. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.